Hey subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, it's gonna be my first time applying a customized press-on nails. Like parang DIY siya, do it yourself. So alam naman natin na COVID and hindi tayo basta-bastang nakakalabas, like to go to salons or to go to the mall just to get our nails done. So I think this is the perfect time to just stay at home and play with your nails. Disclaimer lang, this video is not sponsored. I just really want to make a video of me applying press-on nails for the first time kasi it's something new to me, and as you can see naman, my nails are like always bare sa mga videos ko, and hindi talaga ako mahilig sa mga ganito kasi feeling ko natatanggal lang siya or something. So ayan. Anyway, so I've tried nail art before, gel nails, regular nails, at saka nail extension, pero yung parang DIY nail talaga, hindi ko pa na-try. Ay! Wait! Na-try ko siya before with my friend. Pag senior high ata, senior high grade 12. Ayan. Pero yung mga ano lang yun, parang mga super affordable na press-on nails sa Colon. I think 20 pesos lang or 15 pesos. Like, meron na siyang design. Pero eto, ako talaga yung nagpili ng gustong design ko for my nails. By the way, this is the before. Hey subscribers, I'm back and nawala na yung ulan. As you can see, my hair is curled. Super curled again kasi nag-recurl ako kasi I was bored and I was listening to Blackpink's You Never Know. Ayan. Ganda ba? This is mermaid curls. Ayan, so this is the package that I got from goodnails.ph. When you open the box, ito yung first na makikita nyo. So in the box, there are care kits. There's also stickers. Ayan, super cute. Stickers of myself. Super cute ng artwork na sticker. Ayan. This is the original photo, by the way. Ta-da! Tapos ito yung artwork. Next, they also gave me masks. Tapos, they also gave me hand sanitizer. Next is their scrunchies. Yung mga silk na scrunchies. We have pink, black, and gold. Cute! They gave me 4 of their nails and ako yung pumili ng mga designs na to. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung paano to gawin. Pero we will get there. Merong instruction. So, this is the instruction kit. Okay, so we have here nail glue. Another nail glue. Tapos, 4 na nail file. I think this is for each design. Tapos, merong stick. 4 din na stick. 4 alcohol pads. Instruction card. And yung para sa nails. I think ito yung pangdikit. Okay, so nag-post ako sa Instagram story ko and nagpatulong ako kung anong nails yung gagamitin ko for today's video. And majority wins, so number 4. Also pala guys, they have different shapes and sizes. So I only got 2 of their like size or shapes. This one is stiletto, then this one is short ballerina. And for today's video, I'm going to be using this. This is the 4th one. Yung instructions is start with clean, dry nails. Gently push back in the middle of your nail bed. One direction. Oh! Wipe. Oh my god. Apply glue to your natural. Oh, okay. Then with your wooden cuticle stick, this one, use it to push back your cuticles. Be gentle, guys. Huwag niyo akong gayahin kasi medyo harsh to. Step 2. Using the mini file, buff your nail bed in one direction, not back and forth. I think I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Next is, we will wipe it with alcohol pads. Ayan. Step number 4, apply glue to your natural nails and another dab of glue on the fake nails. Good luck to me. Lamrog, may tiban. Okay, one here. Ay, bogo. I need scissors. I think pwede mighty bun yung gamitin nyo para dito. Para dikit na dikit talaga siya. And hindi siya matatanggal. Tapos here daw. Then, we will put it here. Para, alala. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, ha? Oh my God, ganun lang pala. Easy peasy. Hindi ko sure if maraming glue ang ilalagay or konti lang. Kasi marami yung nilagay ko. Baka hindi na magkasya tong nail glue. Pag bored ka sa bahay nyo and like wala kayong magawa, this would be perfect. Pang ano ba? Pang aliw lang. Kasi even if we are at home, guys, it does not mean na bawal na tayong mag-take care sa mga ano natin. So, self-care. Lo, ang ganda. Oh my God. Sorry. Okay, tada! So pretty! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Last na lang, napanisun. Press lang for 10 seconds. Ayan. And voila! I'm done! Yay! I made it. I survived. Hindi ko nagamit yung extra nail glue kasi parang sakto lang naman yung ganito kaliit. Hello! I'm back. So, time check. It's already 4:25 p.m. and I'm done applying my customized press-on nails. And this is the after. Ta-da! It's blurred! Pajak-pajak. It's so cute. Hello. Naninibago ako. Sana hindi siya matanggal at sana magtagal siya sa mga kamay ko kasi super ano pa naman ako, killer hands. Hello. The struggle. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to order, please check their Instagram account at goodnailsph. And also, if you guys want the same style or the same design like mine, you can screenshot this and send it to goodnailsph para sila na yung bahala sa inyo. By the way, this iPhone case, this 2 iPhone case is from Chick Cases. So, thank you guys so much. There's also another one pa, which is this one. Parang minimalistic lang siya. Ayan, I got 3. Tada! So, ito pa lang yung ginagamit ko kasi twinning kami ni Tej ng case. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on TikTok because I post videos there every single day. Follow me on Instagram at Zhia, and of course, shop Skyepify at Skyepify on IG. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.